It's Apocabox time. This video we're going to take a look at the June 2019 Apocabox. That's what's coming up next here on Survival on Purpose. Welcome back to Survival on Purpose, your home for information and gear reviews related to camping, survival, and general preparedness for regular folks. My name is Brian. Thanks for joining me. So the folks at Apocabox have been kind enough to send me their subscription boxes for the last couple of 3 years now. Been going over these every month just to kind of show you what's inside of them. And we're going to take a look at this one right after this word from one of our sponsors. This video is sponsored by Hog Holsters, the concealed carry holster I wear every single day. And I'm proud to call John Abbott of Hog Holsters not only one of my sponsors, but one of my very best friends. John still makes every holster individually by hand with a kind of craftsmanship that is rarely found in this day and time. And the viewers of this channel can save 10% on any purchase at Hog Holsters over $30 by using the coupon code Survival on Purpose, all one word. So I encourage you to check out Hog Holsters. I don't think you'll be disappointed. That's Hog Holsters, helping Americans wear guns. Okay, we're back. So without a lot of rambling, I'm going to take you down to the old stump top. First, real quickly, Apocabox is a subscription box. It's about 60 bucks every other month, and you get basically every month it's got kind of some kind of theme in it, and generally this one, in my opinion, as I said, you know, different subscription boxes have different aims. This one is more geared towards giving you some unique stuff and some skills and just kind of a fun box than X number of dollars worth of stuff for a discount. And there's nothing wrong with that kind of box, but that's not what a Apocabox is. So if you judge it on those merits, that's kind of like, I don't know, that's like judging a race car on comfort. I just want to point that out. Anyway, I'll quit rambling. Just get down the old stump top and see what is in this month's Apocabox. All right, let's open her up. One thing that I don't like about the Apocabox is because it's messy, Creek uses just generally shredded newspaper as a packing, which is good. You can start a fire with this stuff, and it's not, you know, it's biodegradable, and you're kind of reusing something. So all that's good, but it makes a mess if you open this thing up in your living room. I'm just telling you. So we're gonna put this aside now. Let's take a look at what is in this box. And usually there's like a little kind of a card that tells you what the box theme is about. There's not one in this, so we kind of left to figure it out on our own, but let's see what we got here. I'm gonna move this out of the way. So the first thing I notice in here is there are 3 packs of this InstaFire fire starter made in the USA. I've used this stuff before. It really works. It's it's just like this stuff, eco-friendly, smokeless, no harmful chemicals, and it's just a little, you pour it out and light it and it burns. And this will get a good sized log going in the old fireplace in the winter. Ask me how I know. So there's that. That's pretty cool. And then there's 4 packets of this Natrapel wipes, which is a anti-mosquito and anti-ticking insect repellent, and it's 20% picaridin, however you say that. But so that's in there. That's pretty cool. I got a feeling this seems like kind of a camping style box. Let's see what else we got here. All right, so we got a 2-in-1 high carbon steel scraper and steel round bar. Let's see, it's got a ferro rod and a steel scraper tool. Let's see what this thing's all about. That looks pretty cool. I'm gonna have to open that one up, see what's in there. So we have a premium ferrocerium rod scraper in traditional steel for flint and steel fire. So you can use this for flint and steel or to scrape this ferro rod. It's got a nice little sharp edge on it here, so let's just see how well it works. I'll get the paint off the ferro rod first. Okay, I think this is a hard rod, but made in the USA, so pretty good there. Now, next in the list is something I think is really cool. This is from my friend David at Ultimate Survival Tips. It's a tiny survival guide. We've seen this on the channel before. This is a really cool little item. I think it's great. He gave one of these to all the Boy Scouts in my troop too, by the way, and they thought it was pretty cool too. So that's the tiny survival guide. Let's see what else we got there. We have a Coast Cricket Energy Bar, chocolate chip. Man, tell me this thing's not made with crickets. Pumpkin seeds, chocolate chip, sugar, okay. Crickets. This thing has crickets in it. Okay, so they're not at the top of the list. They're down near the bottom of the list, but it's got crickets. Okay, so we Creek likes crickets, I guess. I don't know. Then we have this cool knife sharpening system, easy to use in seconds. So it's a draw-through system, but it's got these little wheels in it. Sharp master, fine sharpening, pull, coarse sharpening. I have to check this thing out. I don't know if I want to put a really nice blade through that or not, but it might get the job done in an emergency. Let's see what else we have here. We have this little kind of cleaning knife here. So it's got a little hook knife on it and a brush there. I'm not sure what that's for, but it's pretty cool. It's a knife. I think my box might have been missing the instructions. And we got this foraging field kit here, which is also, let's see what's in here. Okay, so we have, here we go. So it's got a little kind of a pick mattock that you can carve a handle for and screw it in there. It's got a screw here with it, and then you got a bag that you can use to forage for wild edibles and whatnot. So that's pretty cool. So there's that. I'll put it right over here like so. I try to get all the stuff on the stump top so you can see it, but there we go. And then finally, what's really cool is Creek has a Fireballs course. This box included free access to an exclusive online training course, so completely free. And you can use the enclosed fire starting tools and resources to take the subscriber-only Apocabox Fireballs course. So if you had this box, you get a free online fire course, which is pretty cool too. So there you go. That is, I think that's it. That's everything in the June 2019 Apocabox. Okay, well, that was a hopefully not too rambling look at the June 2019 Apocabox. And like I said before, Apocabox doesn't pay me. They send me this stuff to review. And the main reason I continue to make these videos is just so we can build the history. So if it's something you might be considering checking into, you can look back at some of these videos and you can get an idea of what sort of boxes have been in the past, so that maybe you can have an idea of what you might can expect going forward, if it's something you want to spend your money on. So anyway, I hope this has been helpful. Once again, thanks to the folks at Apocabox for sending me these boxes every other month so I can show them to you. And as always, thank you for watching Survival on Purpose. I put out a new video every Friday and Saturday, and sometimes random videos throughout the week. Be sure and check out the sponsor list in the video description. Many of them have discount codes, and all of them are companies I know and trust, and I really appreciate the support. Once again, my name's Brian. You're watching Survival on Purpose. Remember, survival's not an accident, so be prepared. I'll see you next time.